Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be walking you through on stylish braids for black women. So if this is your thing, or if you're finding it very hard to choose what next style to try out, then you might as well just watch this video to the end. So the first we'll be starting off is the Fulani braids, but we'll be doing this differently. Instead of the regular Jayda Wayda hairstyle, the cornrows of this one is quite different. As you can see, sometimes you just want to do something different and spice things up. I'll be trying this out with half wig, and of course half wig have been doing magic recently because it's just a switch and go kind of hairstyle. Just weave your front section of your hair and you'll be looking as beautiful as this. Now we'll be going over to the next stylish braids for black women, and this one is actually mini twist with the kinky coily human hair, more like boho braids. So starting off, you just want to cornrow your hair, just like create patterns. That's if you're doing this by yourself, so that you can be able to walk through with your patterns very well. So just when you're done with the back section, you start off with the front section, and we're doing the same cornrow pattern before we start parting the hair and doing all of the braids. Mind you, when you're done with all of the sections of the hair, we're gonna be adding the kinky coily human hair, because this is actually a human kinky coily hair, like a boho braids kind of hair. And then we are going to attach this in twos in each of the twist, and then we're gonna be adding some conditioner to just bring out the coils. And this is how it is looking. Very beautiful, guys. What you think? Will you try this? Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite slide, and let's move over to the next one. This one is for the girls that love simple cornrows and you just want to try out something different. Probably you're tired of the regular braids, the mini twist and what have you. So anyways, you just want to cover your front section of the hair, doing more like a zigzag. So we're going to make sure that we have a mid part very well, and we'll do the next cornrow like that all the way to the back. So we're going to be doing this like that. Like I said, it's like a zigzag, and yeah, you can see how it's looking. These are like big cornrows. So anyways, this is looking beautiful and very simple. Adding the right product to your hair, and this is how it is looking, guys. Sometimes we just want to have that protective look, and this is something you might want to try out. So let's move over to the next slide. So this is another quick hairstyle. This is also another cornrow, easy cornrow hairstyle that has been going out on the internet. It's also quite simple in terms of just something that is not so regular. So anyways, you just want to do your right cornrows as you already seen on the screen, and how it is done nicely, and then adding a bit of coils to the end of it like a bun section. And yeah, this is how it is looking. Very beautiful. Let me know which is your favorite slide, which of the hairstyles, the stylish braid hairstyles that you might want to try out. Let me know in the comment section. And overall, I feel like all of this is the bomb if you want to try out something different. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching this video to this extent. Bye loves.